Since the birth of the Internet, Web 1 was about open protocols that were decentralized and community-governed. For example, Web 1 Internet browsers, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, allowed users to interact with websites without any interference from a third party. These browsers also allowed users to protect their privacy on the web with anonymizing services like Tor. Web 2 is about closed protocols that are centralized and corporate-governed. This means that web browsers do not allow for interactive content on a user's web pages, and third parties can track every move taken on a user's web browser. Enter Web 3, which is the Internet owned by the builders and users, orchestrated with tokens. The goal of Web 3 is to create a more sustainable, decentralized future led by people instead of corporations. Incentives must be aligned so that everyone can have an equal stake in having a vibrant, working ecosystem. Holders of the tokens have ownership privileges. There are both non-fungible and fungible currencies available. The concept of a token is to give people property rights and the ability to do things like own a piece of the Internet. Non-fungible tokens let you own an object and have all permissions access as if it were your own. Non-fungible tokens allow ownership of assets like art, photos, music, game objects. One of the main drawbacks of centralized networks is that they create a bottleneck and one company ends up controlling everything. For this reason, we think Web 3 is a good thing.